Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video I'm back with a very interesting topic, that is the submucosa layer of the stomach. Sometimes it is also called the submucosal layer of the stomach. So in the previous video we are done with the mucus layer, and we have studied all that in very deep concepts. Like we have studied all the different cells present in that, each having its own specific video. So if you haven't checked out those series, to check that out. While in today's video we are moving from mucosa to submucosa layer. So I've just got amazing diagrams to make you understand, and I do hope that you will get the concept clearly. Okay, without wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, over here you're gonna see a very beautiful picture. This shows a realistic blood vessel, but this is the one which we'll be solving at the end, probably end of the video or in between, not right now. This is just to show you that uh, and this is the most outermost covering, but furthermore our blood is considered of several different layers. You're gonna see that this is covering 1, covering 2, covering 3, covering 4, covering 5, covering 6, covering 7, covering 8, covering 9, covering 10. So there's a complete complex system which runs in the walls of the stomach. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Simply, like, it's just amazing, like a single wall of the stomach is having such number of layers. This amazing, like every layer is having its own function. Probably we'll be discussing today. First of all, let's give a look over here that in the last video, uh, this is the lamina propria, and this is the centermost part in which all the food is being traveled, and this is the part in which all those activities happen. This is the centermost part, the lamina propria or the lumen. While we are done with mucosa, and mucosa was the one which constituted of different muscles and all that. uh, let's move outward, so we'll find that this is musculus propria. Now the foot is moving into, I have just not made another video for the musculus mucosa, because first of all it is not in our syllabus in detail, and secondly it has not got that much function. Like we have got just a single function of musculus mucosa, that is it prevents food from the backflow from the lumen or the cells to the walls or outward of the stomach again. Okay, yes. uh, Now the next we have got outward section of it. We have got let me find out. We have got submucosa, and submucosa is the one which we are studying today. And here you're gonna see that it has covered a good section, and probably in today's video you can understand the submucosa, how it works and all that. While with connected to the submucosa, we have got submucosal plexus. Now this is, you can say, one of the component of the submucosa, and we are also going to study this today as well. While uh, outward layer we have got circular muscle layer. So this is not a proper layer, this is, like, you can say, a covering circular muscle layer. And then we have got another covering, that is the longitudinal muscle layer. So these are muscle layers, like they do not have got that much specificity, but they are providing muscles, they are providing support and all that. While in submucosa part, uh, here we have got, just take a minute. Okay, yes, we will be also studying the Myenteric plexus. This is also termed to be part of, just connected with submucosa, like how it works and all that. Now let me just get back after confirming the thing. Okay, yes. Oh, first of all we've got mucosa, then we have got submucosa, then we have got muscularis uh, externa, and then we've got serosal layer. Now let me tell you that the myenteric plexus is connected to both submucosa and muscularis externa. This is very important to note. Like The submucous plexus is the one which is not directly, we can say, connected to the, what we say, the muscularis externa, which is the next layer, but Meissner plexus is, and probably we have got details of that in our today's video as well. Like in the between mucosa and submucosa, we have got submucosal plexus, right? Between mucosa and submucosal, submucosal plexus is there, while between submucosa, or we can say between submucosal layer and the muscularis externa layer or muscularis propria layer, we have got the mycentric plexus. So when we study the next layers, we will get the concept, but in today's video, just looking into what these things are. These are all videos are interconnected, and we've got with some sort of fibers and serosa, that is the outermost layer, and this all just connected. This all will be connected shortly. While for a better view, we have got this one diagram, and this shows, like, first of all, we have got intestinal lumen here, the blood, sorry, the food flows, the digestive food is there, like here we have got the villi is a part which drops out all the digestive food into that stuff. And okay, just so after this international lumen, the food flows, then we got villus, that is the part which we have studied, that this is responsible for the absorption of the food from the cells, or the outward section for the upper section toward the cells of the what we say, the stomach or the intestine. So this is this is the one which is absorbing the simplest form molecules, like the monomers of the food particles, and sending it towards the center for the further movement into the intestines of the food. Now then we have got second, the mucosa, and we have got submucosal layer. In submucosal layers, we have got the submucosal plexus, then we have got muscularis externa, and between muscularis externa and the serosa, we have got mycentric plexus, and after outerward we've got serosa. This is a very amazing diagram to understand the position of muscularis the submucosal plexus and the mycentric plexus. Now what they are, we studying, just right, going to study. I'm just making clear the locations, because many questions are asked on this as well. Now again, we've got a realistic diagram to understand that we have muscularis, we've got submucosa, we've got this muscularis mucosa. This is the one which is, I've just told that this is responsible for the backward flow, preventing the backward flow. And we've got mucosal layer, in which we have got glands and all that. Like, this is the innermost part, this is the outermost part. Let's move forward, and here we have got submucosa, which is our today's main topic. So submucosa is also contains nerve plexus. Now this nerve plexus is the submucosal plexus, because submucosal plexus or the Meissner plexus, like, we have got three different names. This is Meissner plexus, I am writing MI, Meissner plexus, nerve plexus. You've got submucosal plexus. You know, so all the same names. AKA, like it has just told that AKA submucosal plexus. Now this shows that Meissner's plexus. Now it has just mentioned, like, nerve plexus, submucosal plexus, or Meissner's plexus. Now in this layer, let me tell you that in submucosal layer, it is just thick, dense connective tissue layer between mucosa and muscularis layer. Now muscularis externa is sometimes shortly told as muscularis. Now linking and separation work, like this is just doing the linking and separation work while there are no glands present, and the blood vessels, nerves, lymphatic tissues, the lymphatic vessels are present, supply it to mucosa, like it is just a path through which the blood is being supplied to the stomach, and it is just providing, this is a muscular layer, and it is just providing support. Like, we've got such an organ, so we need support, so this is the one which is providing support, while we've got two more important functions into it, that is the both Meissner's plexus and the mycentric plexus. Even though mycentric plexus is part of, we can say in a way that they are part of the muscularis externa and serosa, but we are also going to study them today because they are very, very related, and we may save our time. Third, and the division of the autonomous nervous system, like this shows that the plexus are Meissner's plexus is connected to the autonomic nervous system. And here we have got the Meissner's plexus, and it is I'm just telling you you may read it out the statement, but I'm just stating that this is the one which is responsible for the Meissner's plexus is the one which is responsible for the control of the blood supply, and uh, let me again, just for you, nerve fibers lying between the muscular and muscular cells of intestine lies Meissner's plexus, or peripheral nerve fibers and bodies which trace smooth muscle to muscular mucosa. Now this means that they are responsible for the the nervous supply and the coordination. And okay, yes. So the Meissner's plexus is responsible for the blood supply and the secretions flow and all that control, like all the secretions and all that being controlled by the muscular Meissner's plexus. While if you talk about the myocentric plexus, it has got more important function. That is, like the myocentric plexus is also very very important. It has two different functions. The first one is it controls the nerve impulses. Like here, this is very detailed diagram, but I'm not going into, just giving concept. Like uh, in myocentric plexus, we have got the function of the nerve controls, nervous control, nerve impulses control, which are traveling throughout the walls of the stomach. And if they've got nerve control, simply this means that they are also controlling the muscles of the stomach. Like the muscles and the muscles is being controlled by the bicentric plexus, while the supply and the secretions stability or coordination is being held by the muscularis, the myocentric plexus. So I do hope that you've got a concept. If you did, do like the video. While meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.